What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are playing this game called Moto X, and I'm hosting a ride out. We got 4 people. We all got dirt bikes, which is sick. We got this red, I don't know what it is. We got my KTM. We got this, I think it's a 2-stroker 450. Then we got this bike. I don't know what any of these are because they're not branded. But are you guys ready to start this ride out?
Yeah.
And we got a Kawasaki Ninja.
Can I join?
Yeah, you're in.
He's over here.
Guys, let's just cruise through the neighborhood. Guys, go in front of me.
Yeah, let's go.
Swerve.
Wait,
I did a freaking donut.
No, I can do a burnout.
I did a burnout and a wheelie.
We're following the Kawasaki Ninja. Everybody just follow the Kawasaki Ninja. Where are we going? Don't go too fast. You have the fastest bike here. The thing goes like 300.
I just crashed. Wait for me, guys. Wait.
Ninja! Hold on! Where'd the Ninja go? Kawasaki!
Jump.
Alright, guys, we're gonna hit the highway. Everybody, this way. This way. This way.
The highway? Okay, bet.
Where?
Okay,
This way, look.
I can't even turn on this.
Let's go.
No. Alright,
Wait,
yeah, let's go
guys.
to the highway, guys.
Where are you going?
Highway.
Oh,
We're on the highway.
On the highway? Okay, I'll catch up first. I'm coming. No!
I'm coming, guys. I'm coming.
Can I not participate in the races? I always lose at them.
Alright, someone count. Me and the Ninja are racing. Right here.
3,
What am I
2,
doing?
1, go!
Wait, where are we?
That guy started so far back. Am I still gonna win?
Well, I'm gonna drive and follow y'all because I'm the ref. See who wins.
I'm going 200 and I'm hitting the jump. I'm going 210. I'm going 220. 230.
Who's
Yeah,
in
you're
front,
faster
Marco?
than me. I'm
Marco,
going like
who's in front?
only like 2.
Oh shoot! I almost got the red. Oh no.
Yo, I'm hitting
Oh, no.
130.
Oh no.
Doesn't matter
I
if
hit the
pass
green.
you.
I hit a green, bro. I hit a green.
I can't.
Oh, is that guy gonna make it?
I'm in the
I
water.
No,
What
he went in
bike
the
is
water.
What bike is that? What bike is that?
What is that guy doing? Just completely.
won.
Wait, what? I'm at the map.
No.
Let's hit the red.
What? I'm coming pretty please.
I wanna see this ninja. Yo, I'm almost faster than the Kawasaki. I am faster.
Wait, should I equip my other bike?
I'm in front. You guys coming?
Yeah, go a little slower. Let's go like 100.
Oh, right.
Oh, what the? Jump off of here.
I'm coming.
This is the fastest I've ever gone around.
Oh shoot.
One of these.
Dude, I lost the pack. Where did you guys go? We're gonna do some drag races in here. You guys have to follow me. It's really hard to do this.
We have 0.
So fast.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, I'm stuck in the internet.
Oh no!
I am not catching.
Alright, I'm going to try to get the top speed.
The
Here or there. Ready? Set.
mine
I'm already going 200.
the fastest I can go.
Oh my gosh. Alright, maybe this will give me the top speed. Ready? Go. Alright, I'm going 130. Going 200. Oh shoot. I'm lucky. I can still wheelie at this speed.
No,
I just
guys,
lost
I'm
some.
inside the map.
And I'm still going up.
I'm glitching.
Tail whip.
Baby, I'm a firework.
No, no.
Everybody,
I
look
want
up.
top
No
of
way.
the map on the canyon. I'm on the canyon.
Everybody look up. Everybody look up.
Gonna make it. The ninja gonna make it. And the ninja barely makes it. You barely barely made it.
Meta, you know I'm gay, right?
Alright guys, that's where we're gonna end the video. There's people talking, so I have to hurry up with this. You should download this game. It's now free on MetaQuest. It's probably shutting down soon, so I would get it now.
I tell it don't stop, I'ma make you famous. Fuck about a bitch, I get my money, then you get your payment. I ain't tryna lie to you, it just feels so right with you. First night I could've vibe with you, now I can't